Today I have brought a new maths class for the chapter Integers of class 6 Don Bosco School. So today we will do exercise 5.1. So the first question is, taking a gain in weight to be positive, write each change in it using positive and negative number. Okay, so here it is given that gain in weight, we have to take it positive, whatever it is given. Okay, and now we have to write the change in weight with positive and negative numbers. So first option is given, a question is given, John is 2 kg heavier than before. So here whatever the numerical part is given, it is 2 kg, but it is written heavier. So we have to take it positive. Heavier means more. So it will be positive 2 kg. Next one is Mary is 3 kg lighter. It is given lighter, so it will be minus 3 kg. Whatever is given value, that only you have to write. But if it is given heavier, you write plus. If it is lighter, you write minus. Then the second question, if depositing money into a bank account is a positive amount, represent the following transactions using appropriate integers. Okay, so what they have given, that if you are depositing money in a bank account, that you have to take it as a positive amount. If you are depositing, you have to take it positive, and if you are withdrawing the money, then you have to take the put the negative sign. So here see, first question is a withdrawal of 2000 rupees 2800. So withdrawal means you are taking out money from the bank. So it will be negative, and whatever the value is given, rupees 2800. So go to the second question. Let's go to the second question. So it is a deposit of rupees 1650. So when we are depositing, so it is already given the question that depositing money should be taken as a positive. So what we have to take, since here it is a deposit of rupees 1650, we have to take it as positive rupees 1650. Okay. Then go to the third number question. If minus 4 km per hour denotes 4 km per hour below the speed limit, what does 12 km per hour mean? So minus 4 km per hour it is given, because the sign is given minus, so it is saying that same value 4 km per hour below, if it is given minus. But here it is given plus 12 km per hour. So how we have to write it? 12 km per hour, here in place of below you write above, which is plus, not minus. So above the speed limit. Next when you go, this is the temperature drop of 7 degrees Celsius. What does 5 degrees Celsius mean? So minus 7 degrees Celsius is denoting a temperature drop, because it is given minus, so it will drop. So now positive 5 degrees Celsius in what? So if 5 degrees Celsius means a temperature rise of 5 degrees Celsius. Why? Because minus, if it is, we have to write drop, and if it is plus 5 degrees Celsius, that means it will be temperature rise of 5 degrees Celsius. Our value is given. Okay. So in the next step, you see, next question. State numbers represented by the points A, B and C on the number line. So a number line is given the question. They have drawn a question and they have given 3 points A, B and C. Now you have to just state the number which this B, C are representing on the number line. So you see A is representing which number? It is minus 4. So you have to write A minus 4. Then B is representing which number? It is minus 1. And C is representing which number? It is given C2. Okay. So now next question we will go. So this is represent each pair of numbers on a number line and write down their relation using this sign. Okay, so they have given a one pair of number. Two number they have given, that you have to first represent on the number line. You have to draw the number line, and after that you have to write their relation using this sign. Okay, so first we have to draw the number line. So while drawing the number line, you have to, in the middle you have to put 0. On the right side of the number line you have to put the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, but I'm just putting here till 4. And in the left side you have to put -1, -2, -3. Okay. Then you see what pair of number they have given? 0. So I'm giving here 0. I'm representing 0 by A. And then 4 they have given. So 4 you go to this side. Positive number, I'm representing it by B. So I have written here A is representing 0. B is representing 4. Now you have to show the relation between these two numbers 0 and 4. So you know 0 is always less than 4. So 4 is greater than 0. So second pair of number, it is given -2 and 0. So you show it in the number line. Again you draw the number line. Put 0 in the middle. Right side you put the positive number. Left side you put the negative number. What is given here? -2 now. So you have to go to the left side. So which is -2? This one. So I am giving it a name A. So he is representing -2. Okay, and other number was 0. So B you represent by 0. So now we have to show the relation. So you know -2 is less than 0. 0 is positive, so it is greater than -2. Okay. A 7th question is there, which will be same as the 6th number. You do it yourself. This is the homework. Thank you for today. The next question we will do in the next video.